Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Budgets can be created for either profit and loss or balance sheet accounts, but they do have to be account-based. You can create them from scratch, from actual data from the previous fiscal year, or from the previous fiscal year's budget. A budget is uniquely identified by its fiscal year, the account type, meaning either profit and loss or balance sheet, and if desired, further identified by customer job or class. To create a budget, select Company, Planning and Budgeting, Set up Budgets from the menu bar. If you have already created a budget, you can click the Create New Budget button. In the Create New Budget window, choose the fiscal year for the new budget, and then choose to create a budget for either profit and loss or balance sheet accounts by clicking the desired option button. Then click the Next button to continue. If you selected a balance sheet budget, you then click the Finish button to begin entering your budget data. If you chose profit and loss, you can then specify the additional criteria of segmenting it by either customer job or class if class tracking has been enabled. You can then click Next again to choose whether to create budget from scratch or create budget from previous year's actual data by selecting the desired option button. Then click the Finish button to create the new budget. At that point, enter the amounts you want to budget for each account into the months shown. When finished, click the Save button to save the data. Then click the OK button to close the budget window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.